As promised, I am going to allow you to peep into my day of dining out. We'll tell you how I choose my dishes and break the myth healthy can't be tasty. So let's get going. So we're going to dine in for a Pan Asian cuisine today. So let's see what healthy options can we find. My today's pick is a Vietnamese restaurant and cuisine. Vietnamese cuisine is very flavorful and healthy, so we won't have much problem finding a healthy option. They are quite famous for their noodle soup called pho, summer rolls, rice noodles, etc. So let's see what we find today. We have many steamed options in here which we can pick over the fried ones. So I am choosing the rice paper roll filled with chicken, herbs and vermicelli noodles. That seems to be very healthy. This dish would be light due to the coating being of rice paper and the filling is steamed, overall a healthy appetizer. Similarly, they have lettuce wraps also. In that the coating is of lettuce so that you can skip the rice paper as well if you want to further cut down on calories. Second, I am choosing pomelo and papaya salad. This is the fresh salad and grapefruit and raw papaya, so a dose of vitamin C and vitamin A together. The dressing is light too and chili and peanuts would add to the texture and taste. My pick of starters have been decided, so let's see how they look and taste when they arrive. I would love to try the Vietnamese coffee as well, as Vietnam is very famous for their coffees. Pomelo and papaya salad, and I can see the amrak as we call in Hindi, which is a very nice and a sour khatta fruit. I'm going to try the salad now. I can definitely feel, taste the sweet and the chili part. The grapefruit is totally standing out, and the peanuts, the crunch of peanuts is also there. So by far I would give it a 8 out of 10, and it's a very refreshing salad with combination of flavors and healthy too, which we are seeking today. So we are going to seek all healthy dishes in this restaurant. The rice wrap has arrived in style. Looks good. Let's see how it tastes. No one is more honest than a child, so I want Anya to tell us how she likes it. The Vietnamese coffee I ordered is here and it's getting brewed. Till then, let's see what the foodies have to say who think that the healthy food cannot be tasty. Waiting.
Overall a nice and refreshing roll. The rice paper could have been kept a little bit more in water. It's a bit on the chewy side. Overall, a good dish. 9 out of 10.
Perfect. Oh, that's great. We have managed to find two very good starters here which are extremely healthy, and they have some ingredients which are exclusive and soup. So I'm continuing from where we left. The brew is done. That small glass which you see is the hazelnut which I ordered, the flavor. I'm a big fan of hazelnut, whether it be coffee, chocolate, ice cream.
And this one is condensed milk for sweetness we are using.
Oh my god, this is condensed milk, so I don't think it's as healthy as I thought, but it's going to be very delicious. So I'll give my dessert a pass after having this. While serving this, the server told me that they use 3 coffee beans to decorate this coffee, and the significance of 3 coffee beans is health, wealth and happiness. So there goes my dose of health, wealth and happiness. So here goes my glass of health, happiness and wealth. Let me have the first sip. It's delicious. It's worth another dish which we've ordered today. This is Anya's recommendation. These are the authentic Vietnamese noodles. These are rice-based noodles with all wok-tossed vegetables. So again, a healthier option to maida. So okay, let's see.
Very good. It's not spicy at all.
It's not spicy.
I love it.
great. So again, we've found another healthier version to noodles. This is one of the most liked dish by kids. So rice noodle is a very good alternative to maida. These noodles are very light again. A good alternative to maida noodles. The crunch of peanuts is again very nice. There is this freshness of basil, which is my favorite flavor. I like basil mostly in everything. Going forward to the main course now. Choosing from the hot pot section, tomato, ginger and kaffir lime. This is going to be a tangy broth enriched with tomatoes. Ginger adds to the taste as well as it's excellent for this weather. Kaffir lime is a citrus fruit native to Southeast Asia. This has an excellent aroma and is amazing for detoxifying blood and boosting oral health. So I'm totally excited to try this. There are many more options like stir-fried vegetables. There is vegetable curry. There is steamed tofu for vegetarians. Again, tofu is very high on protein. As I said, the options are a lot to choose from. The healthier options, it's not a problem choosing healthier options here.
So one thing that is associated with Vietnam is pho. So the alphabets are PHO, but it's pronounced as pho. So basically it's a broth with noodles and all kinds of vegetables. It's one of the healthiest dishes. It's basically a breakfast dish.
The food was very flavorful, it was very nice, and it was super duper healthy.
Awesome. So our hot pot has arrived in a very fashionable way. So let's just take a close-up of the same. Oh god, it looks amazing. It's directly on the stove, going to be served piping hot to us. So Anya is enjoying the whole experience of stirring the pot.
We're gonna try the hot pot. So we ordered the hot pot with kaffir, lime and lemon flavor and with chicken inside. Here goes nothing. The broth is amazing. That's serious good. The tomato and kaffir lime. You can really taste both the things. I think it's pretty good. That's a 10.
So you think healthy dishes can be tastier as well?
Well, that's pretty tasty to me.
So my take on this hot pot. Again, it's very flavorful. The overall profile of all the things which we've tried here today is very flavorful. The tomato has a very rich flavor to it. I can probably taste all the ingredients separately, but combined into one pot meal. We have a lot of vegetables here. There is chicken, there is mushroom, broccoli, peas, and some rice noodles. So again, this is a very healthy dish. And it's a one pot meal. So for people who are seeking a one pot meal, something which is full of nutrition as well as less on calories but dense on taste, this is the dish to try. For desserts from today's menu, I would choose yogurt parfait again. I'm sure all desserts are going to be delicious. We are on a guilt-free trip and want to indulge without hampering our diet. That's the motto of today's video. So yogurt parfait is a yogurt-based dessert and fresh fruits and crisp coconut they have added, which seems to be quite exciting. Perfect to end our meal. I thoroughly enjoyed dining out with you all. I hope this video helps you choose healthy options from different menus. We'll see you guys soon with some other cuisines. We shall again eat healthy yet tasty.